Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Haralson County in northwestern Georgia, Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, Douglas County in north-central Georgia, northern Heard County in west-central Georgia, northwestern Coweta County in west-central Georgia, southwestern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:28 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Buchanan to Mount Zion to near Graham, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Union, Douglasville, Carrollton, City of South Fulton, Villa Rica, Fairburn, Bremen, Palmetto, Temple, Bowdoin, Mount Zion, Whitesburg, Waco, Ephesus, Central Hatchie, Rouville, Lithia Springs, Chattahoochee Hills, East Newnan, and Plant Yates. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service 1-866-7-634-466 at NWS Atlanta.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.